Hi boys and girls, for this digraph sorting activity, I'm going to read you and tell you what each picture is so that you can sort it underneath the right digraph sound. This is a picture of a chair, cherry, chick, cheese, chalk, church, shadow, shovel, sheep, ship, shark, shell, thermos, thief, thorn, thread, throne, thumb, whale, whistle, whisker, whisk, wheat, wheel, dolphin, trophy, photo, elephant, phone, gopher. Have fun sorting your digraph pictures. Don't forget, you can always go back and pause the video to listen to what the pictures are.